Welcome to the $100,000 account challenge. My name is Josh, and what's going on here? Yeah, it's me. Hi. Hey, high five, buddy. High five. Yeah, all right. Oh, hey, you're wearing a pink shirt. Well, I didn't, yeah, it's cool. Pink's good. It's good. You look bored. Yeah, this is the intro, so yeah. Okay, he's gone. All right. Welcome again, and let's go trade. So remember that trading is risky, and use your stops if you got them. Trade in a simulator if you have it. And make sure you have a strategy in place before you put your hard-earned money on the line. That is my advice to you. Welcome to EVA Trades. And let's take a look at my progress in the simulator today. As of today, I am up $57,964 in 18 days. That's pretty fabulous. So let's see if we can add to that. On the gap scan, we have UBX, VEEE, NEPT, and AEY, which are some of the stocks that I've chosen here today. Here's AEY, here's VEEE, here's VLCN. Now UBX, over here on the other screen, was the leading gapper in the market this morning, but this is weird to me. $20 down to $1.88 on a 5-minute candle, or even on a 1-minute candle. I don't think that's real. So I don't know what's going on with that leading gapper. So I put it over here because I don't know that I'm even going to try to trade that. NEPT was also on the gap scan, but it's trading below the VWAP. It's pretty much given up most of its move for the morning, so I'm not expecting a lot there, except for maybe a small bounce. My main focus will be over here on AEY and VEE and VLCN. So this is a simulator. I'll push play. We have 5 minutes to go till the market opens. As always, I like to start 5 minutes before to give me time to mark out some support levels and get a feel for what's happening. I usually try to mark out my support and resistance levels on the 5-minute time frames. There's a pivot we broke through, and now a back test to that level and the VWAP at the same time would be maybe a high probability play. We'll see. Keeping an eye on that 15-minute time frame. We had it break out a little bit here and then fail. So what we might end up with is a 2-bar pullback to this level, this 550 area. It's possible. The 5-minute on VLCN. What do you say about that? We have a pivot here. Not a lot of price action to go off of, but it's a valid level. So bulls want to get over 634. This one's trading below the VWAP. Larger time frame. It's an equilibrium on the hourly that favors the bears at the moment. And these two, once again, not a lot of price action. Could put that pivot there just because. Remember that 550 level. And I'll go take a look over here at a UBX. If I ignore this candle, I would say that my level is here and here. I don't know. This is funky. I think there may have been like some kind of something happened, and this chart just isn't updating correctly. So, yeah. Let's go back over to the other screen. Okay, so we have 3 minutes till the bell. Can we pick out any kind of patterns here? Anything that is notable? Well, we can see here on VEEE, we had this falling wedge early on that broke bullish. This isn't quite a falling wedge here, but we did pull back to that support level. And now bouncing, maybe we get an equilibrium on the 5-minute here. moving up over $6 now. Could be just a 2-bar pullback and then continuation. It's really a 3-bar pullback. We pulled back enough here that I could see us getting a lower high and a higher low and then a break. It's very possible. I'm anticipating that. We'll see. So breaking the support here. VLCN giving it up. Only 1 minute left on this 15-minute candle with that long upper wick. I'd say it's healthy consolidation right now on VEEE. Got that 550 level still. And we're watching this equilibrium with a support down here, $1.71 on AEY. So I don't see a whole lot of opportunity right now. Oh, the gap scan. There's nothing on the high day scan. There's nothing new popping up. So we got's what we got's right here. Hope your morning is going fine, or whatever time of day it is that you're watching this. So we have 30 seconds left till the market opens, and I'm not sure at this point where I want to place my first trade. I'm thinking VEEE might give me an opportunity. I don't like VLCN, and I need to see AEY get up above the VWAP before I take any trades. That's what I'd like. We'll see what it looks like. Can we bounce off of this support? Now, I can't trade the first 1 minute, so looks like we're bouncing right away here. Nice volume coming in here on VLCN. No volume yet on AEY. For a cheap stock like that, you'd want to see a lot more volume than that. So I'm hoping that VEE won't break yet. I want to see it bounce around here for another 10 seconds and give me a chance to get in so that I can ride it through the break if it's going to do that. $6 is holding. This would be a risky trade here. I'll take it off of the VWAP. Whoops, I accidentally hit the button twice, so I took a bigger than anticipated loss. Got a little trigger happy with my finger. So I'm in also on VLCN looking for the break through the VWAP. Let's see this bounce back up here on VEE. Take half of my profit there. Move my stop loss up. I'm going to take a partial on VLCN. I'm just going to get out the rest on VLCN there. See if we get this nice move here on VEE. Well, VLCN looking good there. I'm going to buy that, and I'll add to it if it pulls back more. I'm going to try to buy a pullback here. Take some profit. Take some more profit. My stop's a little tight. Take profit over there on VLCN. This isn't breaking the way I wanted it to on VEE. Pretty whippy. Okay, let's see if I can buy a pullback here. And VLCN. Might get stopped out on those first two orders. Some pretty whippy price action this morning. Selling that. Okay, I'm looking for continuation here. Up towards the highs. VEE might just break through these levels. I'm going to jump back in it. Probably should have waited for a pullback. Time is it. That 1 minute candle is about to close. So if I get stopped out, that's fine. I'll jump back in at the VWAP. In the EMA. Looks like it maybe is wanting to go right away. Selling a partial there. There she goes. This one's pretty strong. I'm going to jump back in it again. See if we get another move. I'm going to exit there. A little crazy. Some crazy price action. Let's see that move up to $7. Oh. It might have got halted there just as I got in. And I think it did. Now, in a real market environment, I'm not sure if I would have gotten filled on those orders or not. Because I got in right at the halt, so I'm not positive that I would be making money on that. I'm just going to assume. So, a halt resumption would be at 6:40 if it's a 5-minute halt. Taking a chance over here on AEY. AEY with a little bit of volume there. I'm buying the pullback on VLCN. There we go. Selling that. Seeing some volume come in. I'm going to jump back in, looking for a move up to the VWAP. Did hit the EMA up here though on the 5-minute. I need to be aware of that. I am aware of that. See the volume coming in now on AEY. I'm just going to sell all that. I didn't like the position I was in. I'm going to get out over here on VLC, and that bounce just not giving me the follow through that I wanted yet. This is not a bad 2-bar pullback here. I'm going to jump back in it. It's holding. It's not breaking down just yet, so volume's getting a little light. Keeping an eye on the time, I've got 1 minute left till the resumption of the halt. Oh yeah, I need to cancel my limit orders. I'm just going to go ahead and sell everything there on AEY. And I'm not going to really trade that much again unless we get some volume, more volume in it. So keeping an eye here on VEEE, looking for that resumption in less than a minute. Is there a daily level we should be looking at? Well, it looks like this was an IPO not too long ago. All-time high at 758. So we'll see if we get a resumption higher. Oh, AEY is breaking out there above the VWAP. Okay, watching VEEE, looking for that resumption. I'm going to sell partial there, and I'm going to sell the rest right there. Quickly getting out on VEEE in case it were to fail. Now looking like it wants to go higher. I'm going to get back out over here. I'm in a trade that I shouldn't be in over here on VLCN. Looking for a bounce opportunity there on VLCN. Oops. I don't have my limit orders in place. Just going to go ahead and sell that. I don't have my limit orders set up here. So, got to reset them. I do like that look on VLCN, but I'm not gonna do it. Well, that was a nice bounce on VEEE. Taking some profit there, and the rest there. Gonna get out of VEE. I got in a little high on it. Looking for the break through the VWAP on VLCN. Can we get it? going to move my stop losses up a little bit higher. I'll sell partials on it. Try to make back some of what I lost. I don't like this move here that I was seeing. Could be a bounce opportunity off the VWAP here. Just with things pulling back right now the way they are. Kind of waiting. I'll look for a pullback, a dip buy opportunity here. Right there. VLCN. Adding to it there. Taking some profit, a little more, looking for that break over the other candle. Not getting it, I'm getting out there and right there. So only making a little bit, like $300 on that. Another dip buy opportunity on it right there. Can we break over here on VEEE? Sold half of it. It just didn't look like, sold the rest there. It didn't look like it was going to go. So I'm looking on VLCN for a break through the high of day, 259. I might add there. I did add there. I'm selling. I'm going to sell more there. That gets me back to green on the stock. I might get that break through the high of day, but I wanted to get out while I was green on it. Really want to jump in here at 250. Get that break through the high. Struggling. I'm gonna get out there. Wanted it to break right away. Getting in that high, you know, I kind of need it to break immediately. I'm not complaining, and I'm green on all three stocks now. Would like to buy a dip here on VEEE, but I'm not sure about that at the moment. There is a possible dip buy here. I mean, it looks good. But so what do we have? We have another pullback possibly here on VLCN before breaking through the high, which would be nice. So I'm up over $8,000 on the day. Yeah, so this one failing, so I'm glad I didn't buy that. So there is an opportunity in here. In this area, you have a support right here. It's also the VWAP and the EMA there. This was a nice pullback. Looks like we're going to break through the high. High of the day, and then you get the high of pre-market next. Is it gonna break? So this is one of those, remember I was in down here and I should have held that. And then when I added here, remember when I bought this and I sold as it was moving up, and that got me to green on the stock. So getting in here as a starter, adding here, adding on this pullback, and then selling everything for the when it breaks through, that's where you make the big money. Now I didn't want to do that because I was already really red on the stock. I just wanted to get to green on it. And I'm having a pretty good day anyways. It was a rough start to the day with a lot of chop in the beginning. With this chop over here and this chop here. Somehow I got chopped out on this one even though it doesn't look too bad. So a bounce here off of that support level momentarily at 650. So this is day 19, and this is going to put me up well over $60,000. And if I keep this up, I'm going to hit that mark pretty soon. Look at this. Look at this taking off now. I'm going to try to buy this on the way up and hope I don't regret it. Maybe getting rejected off a 7 there. Really should have waited, let it pull back and buy the dip. See if it breaks through. I sold half just to cover my arse. That 1 minute candle is about to close. I'm selling right there. Let's see if I get a pullback. No pullback. That's too bad. I wanted to jump in on a pullback to ride it up through the highs, but it didn't give it to me. So not really making much. I actually gave up a little bit on that. Selling that there, but I don't think I made anything. Let's see if the LCN can give us that move. There we go. That got me the move I wanted. So we have an equilibrium kind of here on VEEE. The thing I don't like is the 5 minute breaking out and then failing. But we still have 3 minutes left on this 5 minute candle, so it could reverse. Get the high of the move, low of the pullback, lower high, looking for a higher low. Looks like AEY is wanting to break out now, but on really light volume. See these last couple candles in that $30,000 range, 30,000 share range. And if I'm buying 20,000 shares, well, I want to see a little more traded than that. BEEE, I see the breakout on it, but I don't believe it. As we get later in the day, the 1 minute chart starts to get a little choppier, a little less reliable. But this is consolidating nonetheless. Well, I think that's going to do it for me. I'm up $8,251, and I'm going to stop there because I don't want to start giving back profits. And things are consolidating here, and no doubt that we may see some more moves up. But for me, I've had enough fun, so I'm going to call it quits right there, and I'll see you again on tomorrow's video. There goes AEY. Have a good day.